Hey, big heads up to any contractors out there that want to get to the next level. I want to share with you 3 things that have helped me get my business to the next level. My goal is to help you, inspire you, motivate you, create value for you so one day we can do business in some way and get my brand and my company nationwide, and we can impact the lives of thousands of homeowners throughout their new backyard. But I want to share with you today in this YouTube video some things that help me get my business to the next level, help me grow my business, and I want to share this with you today so you can implement this into your business. My journey started with one small trailer about half the size of this one behind me, and I had a push mower, I had a truck, and about $20,000 invested in my first loan. And I started cutting grass with a push mower, $20 lawn cuts. I had 20 grasses a week. I was making, what is that, about 400 a week or something like that. And then I had to pay gas and pay for expenses and put a little bit of money in my pocket and really put nothing in my pocket. And, ran that business for multiple years, probably 2 years until I actually turned a profit and I decided to get rid of it and get into construction. And I want to motivate you and inspire you and tell you to get into the big deals. Get some equipment like this. Invest in yourself and invest into your team and invest in equipment. Those are the 3 best investments you can make as a contractor. Number 1 is in yourself, in your own self-development, your self-education. Number 2, in your equipment. And 2, in your people. You can't build a dream without a great team. So I wanted to come to you live real quick. I'm here at my storage yard here on Sunday, and this is some of the equipment we were able to invest in. And what I want to share with you is, hey, you don't need to have this stuff, right? You don't need to have this fancy equipment to get started. It literally started with this little Ford Ranger over here. Let me show it to you. The journey literally started with this $2,800 Ford Ranger, and I still have it today just as a monument. It excites me, it motivates me. It doesn't run anymore, unfortunately, but this was $2,800, and I was running around in this thing closing $30,000 deals, $40,000 deals when I was getting started. But the 3 biggest things I would say, besides investing in yourself, investing in your equipment, investing in your team, is you got to have a big mindset. You got to have big goals. It's okay to fail, right? The only time you fail is when you quit. If you don't quit, you won't fail. So number 1, I see a lot of contractors that are scared to commit, that are scared to invest either in themselves, their team, or their equipment. And with that, they never grow, they never scale. You gotta be willing to take a risk to get to the next level. And I don't mean unnecessary risk. Investing in equipment is always a good thing because you need stuff like this to make money. Now, I'll tell you plenty of times I invested in the wrong equipment. But if you don't commit fully and you don't have a good goal or a good direction, you're not gonna know you make a back investment until you commit and you make that investment. I also have several skid steers and several excavators that aren't in this video. And a good example for that is I invested in one excavator, and then about a month later I had to sell it. I realized it was a bad investment. But by taking action and buying that excavator, I was able to realize I made that mistake. And sometimes you don't realize you make the mistake if you don't go for it, if you don't go all in. There's been plenty of investments that I've made in equipment that were the wrong thing. But my advice is I would never, ever look at that investment and say it was a bad investment, because I had to make that decision and commit to it and actually take ownership of it, actually pay $30,000, $40,000, or $50,000 to realize, hey, that was the wrong thing. And it's not the end of the world. You just go sell it and you get the right thing, right? So I want to encourage you, I want to inspire you, I want to motivate you. I want to share with you some things right here that can help you grow your business. Number 1, think bigger. If you're not thinking big, you can't get to where you want to be. Focus on creating an impact, right? Focus on creating an impact for your team, yourself, and your clients. If you're doing a couple deals a year, you're not going to really have a massive impact. But when you can create something where you're going to do 50, 100 outdoor living spaces a year, then you can have a massive impact on A, your clients, B, your employees. If you can help your team succeed, you can succeed. And number 3, you can have financial freedom, right? A lot of contractors don't get that financial freedom because they're just not thinking big enough. If it's just you and a truck, where's the freedom? If you're not going to work that day, you're not making money. You know, focus on creating a business that will turn profit, that will operate with or without you, and you can have true financial freedom in your life. You can have true financial freedom, but it all starts with a big think. I want to encourage you to think bigger, go all in, because you can do anything you set your mind to, right? If you don't set your mind to it, you can't do it. And this all started inside the mind before it happened in real life. These trucks were here. Maybe not at this exact location, but these trucks were inside my mind before it was created. But these trucks and all this equipment and the employees and the clients and the work we're building out right now all started up here before it happened in real life. And it all started up here when this was the only thing in my life, this 2002 Ford Ranger that is now broken down. It was $2,800. And my goal with this YouTube video is to inspire you, motivate you, create value for you, help you succeed, because you can literally do anything you set your mind to. The only limit you have in yourself and in your business is what you have right up here in your mind. So I wanted to share this YouTube video with you. I wanted to inspire you. Hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video, because I'm going to share with you some other great tips and tricks to grow in your business. My goal is to create value for you, free value for you, by the way. And my other goal is eventually somehow to do business with you, and maybe we can impact the lives of more homeowners throughout the nation together as a team. So I appreciate you listening to this. Hit the subscribe button. I'm going to share with you some other great YouTube videos on how to grow your business, how to succeed, and how to stay motivated, engaged, and build a successful company. So I appreciate you listening to this. Hit the subscribe button. And if you haven't, check out my podcast, Heitmann Academy. Thanks so much for listening. Have a great day.